In front of me is TCL 605, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent in the pop-up. Click on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. You can check out Preview at the top. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!